Hello everyone, this is the random channel Eli here, and today I am making a separate video of this another 42-inch Hampton Bay Littleton ceiling fan that we installed back in the early 2000s. I do not have the exact date. We have it on a swag kit as there was no electric up in there, plus the ceilings are low. So my grandfather slipped in a Littleton in here, and it actually looks really beautiful in here. Here's the light, and we'll start with low. Now, I would recommend this fan because this fan is $40 at Home Depot, which is cheap for me, but some of you guys, it may be expensive. But the quality of this fan, it's okay. The built quality, I know the brackets are strong, as I've seen so many demolitions of this fan, so the built quality is really good. Now the airflow, I can feel air from it, but different parts of the room that you install it, you may or may not feel the air flow, but it puts out a really good air. Here's the light again. And then now we'll go to high. Alright, here's high. Here's the light again. Then we'll do all the speeds on reverse. And the performance on this fan is really good. It performs really well. Like I said, we installed in the early 2000s. We had no problems with this fan ever since. So I would totally recommend this fan that anybody would like to get it. I would buy this fan again, definitely. I don't care how cheap or junk they are, I would buy one again. Anyway, here's the light. I did get the pull chains for it, but these are the Walmart Littletons, so it's close. But I will make a video when I get the original globe for this. And here's high. Light again. LED bulb. I'm using a LED bulb in there. Brightens up the room real nice. Alright, this is the remake video of my sister's Littleton, and thanks for watching.